Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one, cute excavator, yellow bus, cement mixer truck, mini monster truck. How about this one? Mini bulldozer, mini monster truck, another monster truck, but this one is a broken monster truck. You can see only two wheels right here. Okay, now check the next one, a truck, mini airplane. How about this one? A logistic truck. How about this one, everybody? Press car. Monster truck, red color. Red bus. Green racing car. Mini monster truck. How about this one? Police car. This one is also a super car. Everybody, let's move to another one. Super motorbike. This one is also a police super motorbike. You can see number 911. Cement mixer truck. How about this one? A mini truck. Excavator. Red racing car. Shoot truck. How about this one? Garbage truck. Police super motorbike, white color. Mini excavator. This one is a cute excavator, everybody. Four-wheel motorbike. Cute car. Now check the last one. How about this one? Mini bus. Everybody, now it is getting dark. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching.